It's obvious Byrna's position in the marketplace is at the top. The product line is very well proven. It's been vetted, it's been tested.
Byrna is the best. I mean, when it comes down to a less lethal approach, I've looked at a lot of things. We've adapted it into our executive protection details, some of our security details as well. And I'm all about less lethal because I'm all about preservation of life, being able to mitigate risk, but being able to flee as well.
I am a real estate broker, and I have an alternative now to a concealed carry and feel safe at some of the open houses and some of the different areas that I get to visit.
I saw an opportunity in the marketplace in the sense of providing retail customers with a facility where they could come in, take a look at the Byrna product line, hold it in their hands, and get to know it. Most importantly though, get to use it.
It's been amazing. I mean, we've had people come in very cautiously, like, yeah, this is like a toy or it's a air gun. And after they actually go, they learn about it, they learn what it does, and then they shoot it on our range. It's life-changing. You know, we have some former military people that have come here today that are just very phenomenal tactical people. And they've told us that using the Byrna is a great option because nobody wants to take a life, and that's what I love about it.
This is not replacing your guns. This is giving you another tool that you have in your tool belt to make sure you make the right decision. I mean, we want as many options as we possibly can have when it comes to protecting our friends and our family and our businesses. This is another option that gives you that chance to not have to take a life if you don't have to.
I love what I do. I mean, being able to give people something that is the best, that's what we want. And we really feel that the Byrna is the best option for less lethal.
I want one.